What's going on, guys? It's your boy Meticulous Trader, and I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on how the B Retest entry system works and what you're looking for. Remember, this is the only trades I take with some A plus, but I mostly let the A plus trades go, or if the B trades go, and I take most of the A and B together. All right, so I'll show you what it is. It's just when the A and B is lit up together and the retest holds, it's just saying, hey, it's an A plus trade, and the B just matches all the confluences, the market structure, VWAP, other stuff I have running in the script, right? So that's why I only take a A and B together. So this is what you're looking for when you're on the charts. This will stop you from over trading and only wait for the golden trade, you know, a A and a B plus together, and that's how you trade it and avoid over trading. All right, and learn why it's an A and B plus trade as you work with the script and see what it's looking for. So here we go, let's jump right into it. All right, so as you can see quickly, we can just say price came off a double bottom right here, right? If you're looking at price action right in front of your screen. So that's why it helps if you could trade as well. But as you can see, price came off a double bottom and kind of took out the high, kind of took out this high right here, right? Took out this high and now up here above this high, right? So that tells me you might go for a buy, but I'm going to show you how the system kind of determines if it's a buy or sell. So you're not guessing, you're still waiting, you're not in a trade until this happens. All right, so we're gonna go like this, we're gonna go like this, right? So I'm gonna hit play. I'm just gonna speed it up. So all right, so what just happened, I'll explain. So this candle, right, and this happens on all the time frame. This is how the setup would look. I personally traded on the 5, but I wanted to show you guys what exactly you're looking for on any time frame you're trading. I personally trade on the 5, and I do my drops on 4-hour, daily, 1 hour, 30 minutes, however I feel like trading it that day. Depends on where price is, right? So what happened is this is the B candle. All right, this is the B candle, right? The B candle. After this B candle ended, right, your dashboard usually would light up like it's an A trade, and then when it ends and the retest kind of happen, it lights up A and B together. And then while the retest is kind of happening and it goes past, when a retest is when price ends and then another candle comes back, that's pulling back, like it was red a little bit, it's pulling back, and then it goes ahead and takes out this wick right here, right? It goes higher than the wick right here on this green candle, right? So it went higher, so it pulled back just a little bit and went higher, so that's a retest. So that's why it pops up a entry. But not only a retest and an entry, a A and B trade, because confluences are strong, structure is showing, structures matches, you know what the script is looking like. It's an A plus trade. This is your money maker. You want to be in these trades. This is the only trades I take, and I recommend you only take these and learn from the A and B trades when they're happening. Just watch them, right? So this candle took out all the candles to the left, or you could just say most of this section to the left. It took out most of this section to the left and ended higher. And this one pulled back, retest, hence why it's called a no retest, no entry, right? Go look it up. You have to know what a retest is. So the entry pops up, stop loss up below the candle. Your risk is very minimal. TP1, TP2 hit, not hit, but TP1, TP2 hit again. TP2, TP1 is right there. So now I'm going to hit play and just let the trade play out, and we'll see how an A and B trade finishes and what you should be looking for. And these are the only trades you should be taking. All right, so we're gonna hit play, and I'm just gonna speed it up a bit. By the way, if the B ever moves, it's okay. As long as you got if the entry shows and if it was an A and B trade and the entry, you know, is still there, it still agrees it was an A and B trade. All right. That's okay. As long as you had to go that both of them were A and B, and then it still stays a A, very important as well. It still stays a A, you can stay in the trade. It's okay. As long as it light up A and B, retest valid, and then you enter and the trade's running at the A, you can stay in the trade. If it drops to a B, you can decide to come out or hold it. Chances are it was still strong, it's just pulling back for a little bit. It probably won't hit stop loss, right? But chances are it will stay A and B till it hit TP1, then it turns to B, or it will stay. It will do this when it hits TP1 and 2. It removes that TP was hit. All right, and then you guys should have runners. But as you can see, the trade is playing out. All started from the B candle. So this is what the B stands for. A trade might be happening, but you have to wait for everything to add up. A and B checked, then the B candle is done, green, 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 and then once the retest hold, the entry will pop up and you can join the trade. You could enter the trade and set your stop loss, TP1, TP2, and as you can see, what a beautiful trade. That is what you're looking for. I suggest look for those only, and watch the A plus and then watch the B trades, and you could take some A plus trades as well, or you could watch them, learn from them, and then execute on A and B together. I hope this helps, and stick to the rules.